Hello! Are you a serious home chef who demands precision? Tired of uneven heating, slow boils, or burners that just don't deliver the heat you need for a perfect sear? Here are 5 of the best options on the market today. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or something more high-end, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. Product number 1. Vevor 30-inch 5-burner cooktop, max 12,250 BTU, built-in stainless steel stovetop LPG/NG convertible, dual-fuel natural gas hob with thermocouple protection for outdoor kitchen. The Vevor 30-inch 5-burner unit combines a sealed burner design with a robust stainless steel surface and dual-fuel adaptability. It offers a varied BTU layout, 3750, 6400, 6400, 10,200, and 12,250 BTU to support everything from delicate simmering to rapid boiling, with a listed max of 12,250 BTU. The model emphasizes safety with an auto shutdown flameout system via a built-in thermocouple and compatibility with LPG/NG convertibility for flexible kitchen or camper setups. Weighing roughly 28.2 pounds, it is relatively light for a 30-inch unit and should fit most standard cutouts, 28.7 by 18.5 inches opening as specified. Product number 2. AMZ Chef 30-inch gas cooktop with 5 made-in-Italy Sabaf power burners. The AMZ Chef 30-inch model emphasizes Italian Sabaf burner technology with a total nominal BTU rating up to 48,300, censored 20,000 BTU plus 10,300 BTU, 7,000 BTU, and 2 4,000 BTU segments. It is built with 304 stainless steel and includes a double-sided griddle, plus it is NG/LPG convertible with included nozzles and regulator. The design prioritizes high-energy performance and heat efficiency, claiming up to 90% thermal efficiency, and features knob control with flame failure protection for safer operation. The price point sits at the premium end of the range at $303.99, reflecting the Sabaf pedigree and additional accessories. Product number 3. Gas One GS3400P propane or butane stove, dual fuel stove, portable camping stove, patented, with carrying case, great for emergency preparedness kit. The Gas One GS3400P is a compact, portable dual-fuel burner designed for camping and emergency preparedness. It supports both butane cartridges and propane cylinders and includes a carrying case for portability. The built-in safety features include a pressure cartridge ejection system and a gas flow cutoff mechanism, plus automatic piezo ignition for lighting without lighters or matches. Weighing just over 3 pounds, this stove prioritizes portability and emergency readiness rather than full-scale kitchen performance. It's a strong budget option for mobile cooking and backup use, especially where space or fuel flexibility matters. Product number 4. 30-inch built-in gas cooktop with griddle. This Sizzle Chip Tech 30-inch model targets the mid to premium built-in market with 5 Italian SABAF sealed burners and a 304 stainless steel panel. It features a 20,000 BTU center tri-ring burner, a 10,300 BTU secondary burner, and 3 simmer burners, 4,000 to 7,000 BTU. It ships with a dual fuel conversion kit, ND primary with LPG nozzles included, and includes flame out protection with CSA certification. The build emphasizes easy cleaning via sealed burners and edge-to-edge grates, plus a 120-volt electric ignition system that requires power but simplifies startup. In practice, the burner's tri-ring center and high-end burners deliver precise control for searing and rapid heating. Product number 5. Gas cooktop 36-inch with 5 Italy Sabaf sealed burners. The 36-inch Mzagachkafuk unit expands the Sabaf base performance with 5 burners and a generous 36-inch footprint. It offers a 20,000 BTU tri-ring center burner, a 10,300 BTU fast burner, and 3 simmer burners, 4,000 through 7,000 BTU. It shares dual fuel convertibility, 304 stainless steel construction, edge-to-edge grates, sealed burners, and CSA certification. The larger frame allows for improved workflow for big families or serious home cooks who require more simultaneous tasks and a broader cooking area. In use, the 36-inch model provided ample room for multi-dish operations, with the tri-ring center burner delivering rapid boil and powerful sear options.